Nice and lovely, guys. So basically today I want to give you a healthy weight loss juice recipe. I'm always making a healthy weight loss juice recipe, which you all guys all know. First thing I'm going to do is get half of a cucumber right here. Alright, once you have half a cucumber, simple, just remove the skin from the cucumber. That's the first thing you want to do. Nice one. So once I remove the skin, cut it up into some small pieces and put it straight inside of your blender like I'm doing right here. Put a nice lovely handful of spinach. Get a lovely piece of a celery and cut it up. Alright, now I have some ginger which I want to use, so I'm going to cut off a lovely piece of ginger. Nice lovely chunk of piece of ginger. Remove the skin. And cut it straight inside of it. Now I have half of a lemon which I want to remove the skin. Just put it straight inside of it, just like that. It's a must. Apple cider vinegar. Just a teaspoon. And put some water. Roughly about half cups of water. Cover. Blend this. If you like honey, you can put honey. But it's better for you to have it natural. Lovely. Here it is, split. It's pretty good. Nice one. Look at that. Beautiful one. I love it. Drink this in the morning, guys, or in the evening before you go to your bed. It's a very nice, lovely, healthy weight loss recipe. So please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, on my Facebook page. My name is Chef Ricardo. I'm always giving you the best recipe for you to make at home. Alright, guys, stay tuned.